Energy storage systems have come on leaps and bounds in the last few years. So up to about 45% of our new residential systems are now solar and storage combined. So it's quite a big increase. The storage systems allow you to store the energy that your system generates during the day and then use this energy during the evenings and in the next morning until the sun comes up. Energy storage systems come in many different shapes and sizes. So when you're looking at a potential storage system, you need to be very careful and make sure that it's a suitable product for you. So the two main things to keep an eye on is their storage capacity, which is their kilowatt hours, how much energy that system can store, and their power output. So that's the instantaneous power that that system can either charge or discharge. So the combination of those things has to be correctly matched to your usage to ensure that you're going to get the most out of it and become as sustainable as possible. At SunGift, we'll be looking at all the details of your property, so we'll be carrying out a full survey so we can match your requirements with the best technology and the best size system to give you the best benefits from your solar and your battery system.